This swap hasn't even started, and I already feel like punching somebody in the face. Noir gang, look how beautiful, baby. She's kind of dirty, you know. We're just gonna ignore all that, you know, but she looking good though. I don't care what anybody says. My car, like, it dirty, clean, looks like it went through a tornado, sandstorm, hurricane, don't matter. Oh, I love my car so much, bro. Like, and thank you guys for all the love too, because a lot of you guys have been seeing me on the street and giving a lot of love. So I'm sorry if the audio quality is not as good as usual. I did forget my cord to my own mic like an idiot, and I'm leaving it on there. I don't know if you can see the shadow and everything, but I'm just gonna leave it on there for flexing purposes, you know, whatever. You guys have been waiting for so long. You guys have been waiting for so long for me to tell you what this swap is gonna be. So I guess to kind of address something first is, I told you guys in the beginning of the year, we are gonna boost this car. Everything that I said in the beginning of the year, we followed through with it. I went ahead, I got it tuned. I did say that we were gonna go through like a visual 2.0. So we got the Nismo body kit. The only thing that I'm missing so far is just the side skirts. Yeah, we're gonna get V1 side skirts. Everything is gonna be V1. And then we got also, you guys already know, I love these wheels so much. You guys don't understand how long I wanted those wheels for, but I guess we can do a video another time of like how much it costs or how much I got everything for. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a long time, you guys know that I actually pull all of my parts off Wreck Nismos because it saves me, you understand, a lot of money. But right now I don't want to put any more money into visual stuff because there are a couple of things I need to fix, since obviously it's coming off wrecked cars. Front bumper has some paint that's cracked, and the diffuser, it's just falling off. Same thing on this side, but oh, look at the sandals. What are those? And then we got this is broken over here too. You guys know I don't flex. My car has flaws and I have no shame showing them. And then also, I'm not sure if I'm gonna re-clear this. I'm doing the car salesman slap, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna re-clear this or just put a new color, well, not new color, but color match the top black and then leave the bottom carbon fiber, because the bottom's actually perfect, it's just dirty. And then last but not least, the Nismo bumper. We do have a crack here. Like I said, it's off a crack, it was off a wrecked Nismo, and obviously it has some scuff, so we need to get that fixed. But I don't want to put any money into paint or fix anything right now, just because. And also, I do still have that Nismo bumper giveaway. I decided to kind of lock it out already. The ones that did respond and they followed all the rules, I have you guys already listed down. I'm gonna hold true to the Nismo bumper. Just give me some time because we have a massive project. You guys were wondering what I'm gonna do to the car. What motor are we putting in this car? It's like, I'm excited, it's so sad, but I told you guys, like I said, I was gonna boost this car. That was gonna be the end of the year goal, the beginning of the next year goal, and I like to stay true to my word. You guys can already take out the guess of, it's not an LS. It's definitely not an LS. Is it a 2J? No, it's not a 2J. The only thing left that I would ever put in my car that I was super excited about is, baby, we're going VR 38. We're putting a GTR motor in this car. We're not putting a GTR motor in this car. I'm too poor for that. Come on, Noir gang, come on, man. I'm just a normal dude with some normal money trying to do fun things with my car. That is not gonna happen. So I guess to kind of spoil it more, the only thing that I could swap in this car that would actually be pretty interesting is, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna say it. We are putting a VR30 motor, twin turbo motor in this car. I don't know if it's gonna be the red sport, silver sport, the base, it doesn't matter because there's not too much differences besides sensors and all that. I'll talk about that another time. It's the end of it, man. It's the end. I'm no longer part of the VQ gang, which is, it's crazy to say that, but I'm no longer a VQ guy. Oh wait, no wait. It is an LS, hold on. Boom, baby, LS swap. So why did I go with the VR30? Well, because like I said, I wanted a boosted car. I didn't want to swap a 2J in there because I feel like a lot of people, that's kind of like what they aspire to do, or they already do it a lot in 350s. And I hate to be that typical YouTuber dude, but it's just like, we want to do something different all the time. And what's different? Well, being one of three, because as far as I know right now, there's only 2 Zs that have a VR swap. Z1 did one, and I think it's Concept Z that did the other one, and they even did a Q60 a manual swap, which that is sick too. But I wanted to do that, but we would be the only ones that are just regular people. Like, it's gonna be Miami Z Parts Victor and Miami Z Parts, which is Victor, and myself working on this. We're just 2 regular dudes. Victor is gonna be, obviously Victor owns a shop, but we're gonna be the only like regular people to just swap in the motor into this car. And and the reason why I'm doing it is, like, I want to see if this is a more viable option, because to be blunt with you, VR30 motors are not that expensive, or at least here in Miami. We're catching them at a pretty low price. So it's supposedly a direct bolt, like, well, not direct bolt-in, but it's just a drop-in motor. Like, it should fit in theory. So we're gonna give it a go. We want to see what the headaches are. We want to see how much power we can make, because full bolt-on I should make about 450 horsepower and it's like 500 plus torque. You can't be mad with 450 horsepower, 500 torque in a Z34 chassis. We're gonna get this started, and we were actually already supposed to get this started, but then that's what this video is about. Every video is gonna document the entire process of the way. I want to show you guys what it takes, how much it costs, the little things that you're gonna run into, because I would love to see a lot more VR30 motors swapped into Z's. Like, that would be sick, or G's, or whatever you have. It's probably gonna be a headache. I know we need a custom flywheel. I know we need to splice the harness, get the Q60 one or Q50 one and put it and splice it with this one, get the ECU. There's a lot of things that, well, not a lot, I guess, compared to a lot of other swaps, but there are some things that we have to do that just to make this work, because I do want power steering, I do want AC, I want it to be a functional daily that hauls ass and is reliable. So that's why I want to stick with the Nissan platform, because I feel like it makes sense. So I went to go purchase a motor, and I've actually been texting this company for a long time. And if you guys don't know, I live in South Florida. We almost got hit by a category 5, but then turned into 4 hurricane. Before Hurricane Dorian, I texted this dude, yo, what's the price of this motor? Can we get it happening? Let's get it popping, whatever. I just want to check it out. And I was hoping to check it out with Vic, but whatever, it's just gonna be me. But the hurricane came, and I told him, dude, we gotta do this another time. I definitely want to see this motor. I definitely want to see the motor. I definitely want to see the motor. And we reschedule this and move it for another day. I text the guy again, yo, give me your address. And I'm gonna put all the text here, because here's the thing. Let me not jump the gun. Like, I tell him, let me get the address so we can go check out this motor, and well, not this motor. I don't know why I'm pointing at this one, but let's go check out the motor and see if we're doing this. And I had the cash in hand, so it's like, and I was most likely gonna buy it. It was a really good price. Like, a week goes by, mind you. That whole thing with the incident with the hurricane, this was like maybe midweek. I was telling him, dude, forget about the weekend plan. It's not gonna happen. We'll do it for after the storm. And he said okay, or I don't know. I'll have the text around, you know. Then when I was finally ready to go check it out and pick it up, dude, this guy tries to hustle me. You trying to hustle Norgang, fam? Bruh, are you kidding me? So this guy, this jerk off, literally tells me, oh, you're taking too long, blah 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 blah, I'm gonna raise it up, and he's bumping up the price an extra $200. And you know what, let me pull out my phone, let me get the receipts. I'm not here to talk crap. I like spitting straight facts. Hold up. So in chronological order, I'm just getting basic information. You know, I had to pull out the phone, baby, but I got the basic information. How much is the motor, whatever, does it run? And he's telling me it's a brand new motor. I'm like, cool, just wanted to make sure it was a specific spec I'm looking for. And then I actually tell him I'll be there this weekend. What's the addy? He just tells me, okay, so what's the address? He never gave me the address. So I'm like, okay, whatever. And that was like 5 days before. And then he tells me to call him or text. So I texted him, no response. I responded back with a question mark, because is there something on me? Oh my god. That's the thing about living in the boonies, bro. Look at this. Like, literally, where am I? I look like I'm lost. Don't make fun of me. I hate bees. I'm scared of bees because I'm allergic to them. They make me poop. So I tell this guy, I send him a question mark, and he's like, about what again? I'm like, dude, are you slow? So I tell him the Q60 motor. He's like, you've been texting me for weeks now. When you ready, you let me know. If not, that's fine, because you might end up using it. Also, price has changed, and I'm not gonna say how much yet, but he upped it up pretty much $200. And I'm like, and the thing is, like I said, okay, I'm jumping the gun. No, hold on. So I told him, I've communicated that the hurricane stopped me from checking it out and text you a week ago to pick it up. Somehow you're trying to pin that on me and trying to up the price, brother. And I told him the amount, I'll blur it out. And I said, the amount or just forget about it. He put, just forget about it, I'll keep it. I put, bet, waste of time. And he put, good luck finding one cheaper, which is true. He is selling it to me pretty dirt cheap. This is me kind of being a dick, but at the same time, I don't know. My level of excitement for this swap kind of like led towards this response, which is probably like, it wasn't needed, and I'm probably seeming douchey on my end, but I had to say it, and I was just pissed. I told him, you're one of many part outs, brother. I don't mind paying extra with someone who runs business professionally. Your loss, not mine the least bit. Say something cute for YouTube. And I'm gonna put the company on here. Like I said, I'm super blunt. If I work with you, I work with you. If you help me, I love it. If you don't, it's okay. If you're a dick, I expose you. Just because I don't want someone else working with this kind of person, because that, again, I don't mind paying the extra money at all. If you had an agreement with me and we're getting hit by a hurricane, that is not a reason to up the price. And also I'm gonna put the personal text, because I texted him on that Monday. Oh no, I texted him and he had it on red since Monday. Dude, it was like Thursday or Friday, or I can't remember, but it was way later in the week, and he didn't respond to me, and it's somehow my fault? I'm like, bro, no, not happening. So I told Vic at Miami Z Parts what happened. He thankfully has a guy that has the motor, harness, and ECU lined up for me, but I want to just see if I can get it at a better price, and we move forward and do it like that. I would have had the motor, not in the car, but I would have at least had the motor purchased. Right now, I'm still shopping, like I said, if we have one, but I just want to make sure I get the best price possible, and we move on. But Noir Gang, so that's the update. You know, I wanted to already get started, but things happen, and also I need to start reallocating the money, because if I'm going to spend a little bit more money, I have to save more, and I'm not going to BS you guys. Instead of it being started in 2 weeks like I planned, it might be next month now, but early next month or maybe mid next month, at least when I buy the motor. And then I already have this motor sold. It has someone just waiting on me. Once it's out, we'll have more fun, so dump right back in and just keep the ball rolling. So we're going VR30 twin turbo. I'm super excited for this. Monica's super excited for this. Look, you're gonna tell what she wanted. She wanted an LS. You're getting a VR, baby. Hopefully this can pave the way for a lot of the Z and G guys, and we do some fun stuff. This might be a better option. You know, maybe the VR might be something to look into, because not a lot of people have really found out what it really can do. I know there's one company that pushed over, was it AMS, that he pushed over 800? I want to do everything. Full bolt on, drive the car around, just have some fun, beat on it, get some Mustangs. You know what I mean? You know, Felipe, I'm coming for you. I'm mentally prepared to buy a second motor. That's the kind of fun I'm trying to have with this car. But if you guys are hyped, just make sure you like and subscribe. Please like the video, please expose it, because like now I'm finally monetized. Any kind of view will help towards funding this car. Like I said, I'm very transparent with you guys. I am not rich. I'm kind of struggling, guys. I'm not looking for handouts. All I'm asking for is just, you know, if you like the video, just click like. If you're excited for the idea, click like. I'm thinking of selling merch, which is like, you know, maybe a couple of t-shirts, and it's all gonna go straight towards the motor. I just want to get this done as soon as possible and just keep the content rolling, because I can't express how excited I am for this project. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys are excited, like I said, just hit that like button. Be ready, because you know we're going for the V8s, maybe some other cars. We're gonna go full race mode, just full straight pure stupid. We're going so stupid, and we're gonna have so much fun. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys are excited, just let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video.